Hello, hello. Hi there. My name is Sarah, and I would like to introduce myself. This channel is pretty old. Sorry, let me reposition that a little bit. This channel is pretty old, but I have not posted a video on here, I think, for about 8 years. And I'm coming off of the luxurious, much adorn classic viral video, how to clean your bong, baby. I'm back. The bong girl is back. She's back. But this time she's not cleaning a bong. She's here to actually talk and not be full of anxiety and fear of what people are going to think about her. So yeah, this is not going to be a totally like mental health channel, although that is going to probably be one of the themes that we'll incorporate in here. I don't really want to put parameters on what this channel is going to be. I've been thinking about it, but I don't really want to do that. I think that the best way for this to happen is organically, and what I've done is I've assigned myself 10 days of vlogging challenge. So it's starting today. Today is day 1. I'm going to vlog every single day for 10 days straight and just see if I can be consistent with it. Consistency has been my number one problem when it comes to YouTube. I always have an excuse. I always have some reason why I can't do it. And I don't really want to do that anymore. I want to prioritize my life. And this is something that I have dreamt about for a really long time. I started watching YouTube videos in 2006. The Lonely Island was like my childhood dream come true. And I have known every single Liam Kyle Sullivan. I mean, I've known every single YouTuber. If you could look at my list of subscribed channels that I am subscribed to, I think you can do that. You will see I have like the OGs of YouTube. I've been subscribed to like the OGs of the OGist for the longest time. And I've been absorbing YouTube content for so long, and I've always watched with such adoration, but always feeling like it was just something that I was not capable of doing myself, or that I wasn't good enough, or that I wasn't whatever the internal dialogue tells you. But I have spent about a year quieting that internal dialogue and telling that internal dialogue to shut the hell up so that I can get on with my life and do the things that I want to do. So here I am. I am mostly recovered and ready to make videos for you all. So I wanted to take day 1 to kind of just say hello, introduce myself, let you guys know a little bit about me. I've already done that, so yeah, I mean, I'm not the cannabis girl. That's kind of been another thing on YouTube, and that's why I love this approach that I'm taking, because I was always like, well, who could I be on YouTube? Am I the stoner cannabis girl, or am I the creative skit girl? Like, I was always so daunted at the editing, and I live by myself and I don't have many friends, so I was just like, I can't do all of this by myself, and I got so overwhelmed that I was just like, I'm not gonna do it, and I'm just not gonna do it. Yet this like nagging kind of internal thing keeps pointing me back to YouTube. I keep getting kind of steered back to doing this. So I'm gonna do it. I have no excuses anymore. I have all the time in the world, and I'm ready to pursue something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. I'm mentally ready, because if it doesn't pan out exactly the way that I want, I'm fully fully excited and happy and okay with that. If these videos get no views, nobody's interested in watching them, I am literally okay with, I am like so okay with that, because I'm finally in a place where I'm realizing that making these videos is not for clout. Making these videos is for me. It's for something, it's to fulfill my creative needs. I'm an artistic and creative person, and I have like a need to create. And I know that there's a lot of people out there that understand this. It's like imagine like there was like an oozing dam inside, and you couldn't let it out, and so it just starts building and building and building. But it's like a creative bubble. I have these creative juices that flow through me, and I need to let that creative energy out. And this is one of the ways in which I want to let the creative energy out. I have a few other channels and ways that I let out my creative energy, and hopefully I will have time to show you those throughout the next 10 days. I am going to dedicate days to my different creative outlets, but this is one that I've always wanted to utilize as well. And I think that it's one that is timely in my life for right now, because I think for where I'm at right now, this medium is something that will be really helpful for me, and then hopefully for you, for you right there. You right there watching this video. I hope that you feel the love and attention and compassion from me that you need. Because if you don't feel like you're getting it in other places of your life, which I have dealt with, you need to find it from something. And maybe most will say from YouTube is not the best, but I have found so many different wonderful creators here on YouTube that brighten up my life and make me laugh and make me happy. And I just want to give back, and I just want to possibly be somebody like that for somebody else. So here I am giving this a shot. I really hope that you guys enjoy this, and that we can just kind of take this journey together and not be too serious about it, and just have fun, create fun stuff, and just be light, and just go with the flow with it. So here we are with day one. Day one for the vlog challenge is really to just reintroduce myself, or introduce myself. I love that I put reintroduce myself as if I'm like some really famous ex-YouTuber. Yeah, no, so that's day one. Day one is done. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys will come back for tomorrow. Please subscribe, like, comment. If you have a theme or a video or something that you would like to contribute, leave it in the comments below. Leaving comments really helps. Liking really helps. Subscribing really helps. You guys know all this. But I really am so grateful to be here, to finally be in a place where I can do this. And I hope that you guys will come and take this journey with me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.